Guys, welcome to my new channel. Today I am going to grab this video and my new Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection. This is my collection number 2 and this video is going to be interesting. This one is like all the things can make the new character of the engines and one of the best right here, all the same. Let's get started with my new All Engines Go Push Along collection. So please enjoy. So here is the first character of Thomas and Friends All Engines Go. We have Thomas. This is Thomas. Thomas is blue and he has the number 1 on his cap. Thomas is the first character of the new All Engines Go collection because he has a nice face in the front of Thomas. And Thomas has buffers right here on the top. He is the first character. The face is cute. The nose is cute too. And he has 2 whistles on the top. And he has 6 wheels in the front of Thomas. 6 wheels on the top of Thomas. 6 wheels. Next we have the cowl of Thomas. Luckily the cowl is on the top. The cowl is justly right here on the top because Thomas is the first character. And the cowl is okay because it's one like the most exactly because Thomas is cute. I like it. He is the number 1 and yeah, he has 6 wheels. Well, let's continue to the next one. So that is Thomas. Next we have Percy. He is the Percy is the best friend of Thomas. Percy is green. He has 4 wheels and he has the number 6 on his cap. Luckily, Percy is just like Thomas. Percy has a nice buffers. He has 1 whistle and yeah, he is the number 6 on the top. So Percy is the next one. He's the second character of All Engines Go. Then we have the call of Percy. Here you have the call back to the same. There you have the call of Percy. The call on the top. And yeah, Percy is the second character. He's the second because he's the number 6. He has 4 wheels and it's green. Well, Percy he has a nice face and nice nose, cute, just like Thomas, and it's really cute and cool. So that is Percy. Let's continue. We have Nia. This is Nia. Right here. Here's Nia. Okay? Luckily is Nia. Nia is orange. And he has the number 18 on his cap. He can see a molded details. Just like Thomas and Percy, he has a really cute face and a really cute nose. She has a buffers, just like Thomas and Percy, the buffers of Nia. She has 6 wheels on the top, really cool. These African colors on the top, but she is from Sodor. Nia is really cool. Just like Thomas and Percy, Nia has a cowl. The cowl of Nia has all of the top right here. The cowl of Nia is really cool. Nia is she has 6 wheels, just like Thomas. And yeah, it's really cool because Nia is really happy. Well, Nia has a really cool cowl. She is the number 18. It's really cool and really nice. Let's continue to the diesel engines. Alright, so that is my review of the Steamies. So that is Nia. Next we have Diesel. Diesel is one of the best engines of Zoder. Here is Diesel. Diesel is another engine on the island de Zoder because he is square. Diesel, he is square because he has buffers too. Just like Thomas and Nia has 6 wheels, Diesel has 6 wheels too. Diesel is purple and black. The color is really cool, but his face of Diesel is in 3D. Luckily, on the top of Diesel, he is a square. Thomas has blue eyes, Percy has green eyes, Nia has orange eyes, and Diesel has purple eyes. Luckily, the face is cute of Diesel. And yeah, it's really funniest because he is one of the engines, the fastest engines on Zoder. When Diesel, he likes to race. Luckily, Diesel is a diesel engine because he loves to race. So yeah, Diesel is the next engine because it's a diesel engine. 6 wheels on the top, and it's really cool because it's one of the most engines of the Moser. Well, so that is Diesel. And now we complete with the last engine of my new collection of All Engines Go. Finally, we have Salty. Salty has 6 wheels just like Diesel, Thomas, and Nia. Salty is red, but he has 6 wheels just like Thomas, Nia, and Diesel. But his wheels of Salty is black. And his body is red. His buffers are yellow and the buffers of Diesel are red. And Salty has yellow buffers right here on the top. Luckily, Salty is another diesel engine because it's a diesel engine too. Luckily, we have Salty. He has a nice face, but his eyes are red because he's salty. But he likes to like the histories of the pirates right here. Salty is on the top right here. And the butt and the back he has a nice light. Nia has a light in front of his boiler. Salty has a nice light. He has the stripes yellow and black, and it's cool. Just then, it's one of the funniest engines on Zoder. So there is Salty. And now let's move back to the engines of the most exactly. Alright. We have Salty, Diesel, Nia, Percy, and finally we have Thomas. Well, so that is my review of the new Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along Collection number 2. the next video of my Thomas and Friends Push Along collection is the number 3, but in the other house. Well, so that is my collection of Thomas and Friends. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more channel. And see you later, guys. Bye bye.